Rolling camera 1. Rolling camera 2. Title. And then, okay. Go ahead. That's the main camera to look at. Go ahead with the title.
722.3 and 722.4 transmission noises.
I'm sorry, Pierre. One more time, we got to get a clap for the audio.
Oh yeah, okay.
Title.
722.3 and 722.4 transmission noises. Gary emailed me from Seattle, and Gary is a Patreon subscriber, which is awesome, so thank you. I'm making this video just to answer your question, which hopefully I can help you with. So Gary has a 300 SE, and the transmission is making some interesting noises. At low engine speeds, it makes a whining noise, and then in third and fourth gear, it makes a whining noise. And sometimes people will email me and they'll say, what are these noises coming from my transmission? I would like to understand them better, especially if they're not good noises. So the first thing I know is that if you're getting sort of a whining, like a noise from the front of your transmission at idle, this could be a noisy front pump. It could be anything from a bad front pump bushing, which the transmission shaft runs through, to a noisy front pump gear set. If you're not finding any metal in the transmission and you don't have any fluid leakage, the noise is inconsequential. It just happens to be noisy. Now the 3-4 whine is different. There can be problems with what they call Ravino gear set, which is the planetary gear set inside your 722.3 and 4 transmission. And at higher engine speeds, if you're starting to get a whine, it could either be because of the gear set itself being defective, or because some of the needle roller bearings in the transmission are flattened out, or because the maybe even the transmission's secondary pump is bad. So the secondary pump lives off to the right side of the transmission, and if you're getting a noise as you pick up speed, it could be that secondary pump. Now the other issue that I've started to learn more about doesn't affect the 722.3 transmissions. It's more 722.0 and .1 gearboxes. Mercedes talked about a few noises with these early 4-speed automatics, such as a groan at idle or a rumbling noise at idle, and that's okay, and also sort of a groaning noise in fourth gear, and that's okay too. The thing that you really want to watch out for is tick, 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 coming from the rear of the transmission, because that is the secondary pump. And if that's the case, you need to fix it as soon as possible, because it will grenade and ruin your gearbox. Anyway, for more strange noise analysis, please drop us a line. Don't forget to comment, like, and share our videos. And again, Gary, thank you for supporting us on Patreon. For our Patreon subscribers, we try to get back to you guys as soon as we possibly can. And if that means a phone call or an email, whatever you guys need, we try to be there to help. So have a great day, take care of your Mercedes Benz, and thanks for subscribing and supporting.